quickly get the front seats removed, and you'll notice I've got my respirator on now too, really just for my own protection and looking at what was hiding underneath, and it's a good thing I do because I found a whole pile of mouse turds underneath the passenger seat, and you can never be too careful with these things. Okay, moving to the section underneath the passenger seat, and the pile of mouse turds here is a pretty good indication to me that their access point to the vehicle is likely somewhere in the near vicinity, plus the fact that the owner mentioned there was some canola that had been spilled under the seat a while back. So I'll get the air vent piece removed so I can take a closer look, and sure enough, there's a hole here. This is what it looked like from underneath the vehicle, so I'm guessing the owner drove over something pretty sharp that cut through the plastic and the floorboard, and then the canola attracted the mice inside the vehicle. So it'll be nice to be able to tell the owner where the mice were getting in, and that replacing the plastic liner under the vehicle should solve the problem for good.